All right, instead of copying recursively an entire folder, which will do the action of copying, you don't always want to copy. Imagine you had a whole lot of large files that never changed. Instead, you'll synchronize. Synchronize only things that have changed. To do that, let's give an example here. When I do ls, you'll see I have the folder example. Let's go in there and see what's in there. We've got looks like 6 files. Let's go ahead and delete one. Of course, this is a tutorial. You don't really want to delete stuff that is valuable to you, so don't do that. Underscore 2888. Let's go ahead and delete this file. So ls, you'll see that I have 5 files now. Let's go back one, ls. Now to synchronize, what we're going to do is go back to that S3 bucket prefix and use the sync button. I did save that command because it's a lot to type out. Let me show you what the command is right here. All right, let me just explain to you. Same pattern, AWS, S3, sync. Now, source, this entire source, the example folder is where my PNG files are on the S3 bucket, and then the destination is folder example. You don't have to put it in folder example. If I decided to try, we'll do it 2 ways. Let's do it this way and show you that it worked. I'm going to hit enter. See that it downloaded 1 single file? It's showing you that it did 1 single file. Let's go back. Let's do this again. Hit the up arrow and let's do a different folder example. Let's do folder example 2, which it doesn't exist. So therefore, it has to copy all these. It knows the difference. Let's try it out. And it creates that folder as well. So it just did this 6 times. Now if I do ls, you'll see it's got folder example 2, cd folder example 2, and then we go in there, there's 6 files. So that's one way to do it. Now if I did it again, it won't download anything because it's already synchronized. Oh, I see what the problem is. Check this out. I'm already in the example 2 folder, so this is a really a detail to watch out for. Look at the directory I'm in. I'm in folder example 2, and I'm asking it to synchronize something that doesn't exist. So if I go ls, you'll see it added another subfolder, folder example 2 in there. So that was a mistake. So let's remove that real quick. Remove -r, this is locally. Folder example 2, gone. Look, it's gone. Let's go back one. Now to show you the example I was trying to show you, which I'm glad I did that. So here we are trying to synchronize again. Now, if you paid attention, it should synchronize nothing because nothing has changed. Nothing. See, there was no download like up here. I'm glad that we got to experience that together. And that's how you synchronize.